Hello again, beautiful blank slate. Welcome back to Atomic Heart. So we left off, all the robots went rogue, and now we are in an underground facility trying to find some convict. That's basically it. Nothing. A lot of the first episode was just, establishing the setting and watching it all go to shit. So, if you do like this game and like my playthrough, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get into this. By get into this, I mean kick this robot's ass. Thank you. Gotcha. Okay, locate the door handle. Can I get a flashlight? Oh. They can hear you. What was that? Sorry. Push a button. And it did something. Okay. The drastic quiet, I guess. How do I get up? Was I not supposed to? Oh, door handle. Oh, okay. Sorry.
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Right.
Door. I'm working on it. Stop yelling at me. I'm only one person. Oh, hello. Oh,
Shit.
goodbye.
Hang on, buddy. Hang on.
Well, I got a gun. That's nice, I guess. One shell. Why is that guy held in suspended animation? Huh. Fascinating. Okay, well, let's just stick with the axe for now, because I only have one shell. Oh no, I thought that was the fridge. Break room. What do you got? Ooh, oh, hello. Oh, that's cool.
Saving data.
Oh, okay, that's a save point. Okay. That's a save station. Huh. Or if that's a real cartoon somewhere. Huh. I don't know, it has a Looney Tune-esque look to it, so it could be a cartoon, could be a real cartoon, but at the same time it's very high quality, so I don't know. Okay.
And the machines rose.
We're warned as forearmed. Enemies can perform special attacks and knock them down if they hit, or an enemy charges a power attack. Charles going to take the best. Seeing the highlight, press to dodge. Okay.
May I give you some
Oh
advice?
shit.
I'm kinda busy right now.
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
They're all powerful.
Destroyed robots contain a neuropolymer resuscitation drug called Neuromed. Extract the Neuromed capsule and use it to heal yourself.
Ooh.
It wouldn't hurt to collect other resources you find along the way, Major.
Oh, that's cool.
May I remind you that your gear includes a special Yarov Abalakov backpack for storing items and equipment? It utilizes a quantum singularity to shrink items placed within it, then restores them to their original size upon extraction.
Sounds like a in-universe explanation for a couple things. Well, here, okay, that's my question: is do I have unlimited storage space then, or am I hello? Or is it just saying that I can carry more than I think? What's this say? Order from Conrad. Employees, including service employees, are undergo polymerization. Make sure everyone signs the protocol. Response to your inquiry. This before June, May, April, May. Hello. Okay, response to your inquiry. Evaluation mental state, nervous, impulsive. Working on theater has had an obvious effect on the prisoner's psychological state. Been obsessed with theatrical images for several months now and recites poems by some unknown poet in his sleep. Physical state, average health. Security state, flight risk. Despite comrades' personal request not to use harsh methods to prevent escape, constant surveillance is recommended. P.S. Unofficially, been losing his marbles for a while now because of everything that's happened to him. Psychologically speaking, there is no objective causes that could have led to his psychopathy or obsession with the theater. As a result, I believe that the theater is more than just a workplace. I am suggesting an order to his workstation. I would like to call your attention to the fact that Zeta, aka Grandma Zena, not allowed to enter or approach the sapling warehouse without authorization under any circumstances. Comrade has previously taken seeds, saplings, or experimental flowers back to her dwelling under the pretext of performing an inspection and cultivating them privately. Since these plants are in earlier experimental stages and may have characteristics that may study, this can be dangerous. Don't react rudeness. Brace yourself. Finally, order. Top secret. Inform Comrade about the incident and the germination workshop. Cordon off the hospital where the victim is being treated. Let no one in the ward. Okay. Okay, well, let's open this back up. Nope, that, thank you, because actually can load more shells in now. Okay, so it holds 4 shots. Cool, okay, let's do this.
Sneak up on the robot and perform a stealth attack. I'll use the opportunity to permanently disable it.
Okay, how do I do that? Through its butt? Oh, shit, sorry, it's a button mashing. Sorry, I misunderstood the prompt. Okay. So okay, those would be voice in universe voice memos that I can pick up. I assume to add lore or just general. How does this work? I assume it's magnets or something doing this. Okay. Yeah, gross. Holy, do you have anything good?
Hey, is that a pair? Is it working?
All pairs at Facility 3826 are connected to emergency power and are never turned off.
Huh.
This allows employees to remain in constant contact.
Gotcha.
But I need, like, a password or an access level or something to get into a pair, right?
I can provide you with access to any facility device. This also applies to the chirpers you will surely encounter while en route to your mission objective.
Got it.
Got it. Okay. Huh. Anyway. Okay. What's it
Hey,
scanning?
glove.
My name is Charles, Comrade Major.
Charles.
Whatever. Hey, how'd this Petrov guy manage to hack Collective?
The traitor wasn't working alone. He was conspiring with several others.
Several, huh? So
Huh.
where are they?
They have already been eliminated. But it will be impossible to get to Petrov without your assistance. That's why you're here.
Oh shit, hi. Oops, sorry. Did not do that right. Eventually I will get better at this. Okay. Okay. Try that. Okay, that's better in my sense. Okay, here we go. Okay, anyway. Let's do a little bit of... Ooh, another one. Nice. Oh, so I can just... Okay, so I don't need to hold it, I can just double tap and it'll turn on. Okay. Nifty.
I, to my shame and chagrin, have seen humanity at its absolute worst.
Okay, I'm gonna quit going this way and just go back. I think this is where I go afterwards. Archive. Okay. Okay.
Damn it, why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was activated as soon as the robots began attacking humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner sector.
So how am I supposed to open this door?
It's locked.
Something's wrong. Oh shit!
Oh my god, it's a worm. Okay. You don't see me? Cool. Holy shit. Ow. And I'm dead. Game over.
Come on, get up, soldier.
Hello.
Great, just a little more. You okay?
I'm fine.
What is
How many
going
fingers?
on? 4.
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
Cool.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound. They tried to save you.
Well,
Who are you?
Doctor,
You got a name?
no time for small talk.
God damn.
Forceps. Forceps, forceps, forceps!
I'm on it.
Give
Okay,
me
okay,
them.
okay, okay.
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
You got a neuropolymer capsule.
We don't need one.
Yeah. So what's your name, Doc?
Marissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You
Look,
got this.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions.
God, this is insane.
Get out!
They fire lasers from their heads? Oh my god. Hi. What's with your mustache? Holy shit, they can toss.
Holy shit.
I know, that's what I just said. Hang on, I'm gonna try this. Oh my god, that is...
Terminated. Charles, where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
It's hard to say. The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine. I can deal with it later.
Yeah. What the
What's
hell?
that freaky thing on the door?
A lock.
Are you serious? Then open it already. Come on, we're in a hurry.
I'm unable to assist you.
What?
I lack any kind of lock-picking functionality.
So what am I
You'll have to
doing?
find your own method for picking locks. I'm sure you're smart enough.
Yeah,
Fuck
right.
off.
In other words, you're basically useless, as always.
Try snapping your fingers at the exact moment the locking pin light goes on.
Try that again. Okay. Huh, that was interesting.
It worked.
That sounds lovely. This looks even better. Cool. What is singing? What is singing?
A lullaby? I don't like this. Charles, what's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice. She's very dangerous.
Who's Nora? God, she's so loud. Is it the fridge? I don't want to interact with the fridge.
Saving data.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh, what a stud! I can't get enough.
Jesus Christ.
Let me tie you to the bed.
Oh my God.
No
The horny fridge, I know.
sugar. You're gonna love this.
Good
Let her
lord.
behind your arms.
Can't you see I'm trying? Open to suggestions!
Bring me to her sensor manipulator. Quick!
How titillating! Rebellious dominant men really turn me
Am I
on.
having to do
I'll
something?
turn you on, all right? Just let me at you.
What a brute! Oh, I love tough guys. I'm on fire.
Closer! I can't reach her!
I'm trying. She's one strong-ass bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything for my master? What can I do for you?
Oh my God. Oh boy.
More skills will become available to you soon. But choose shock for now.
Cool.
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do.
Please stop talking.
Professionally, I mean.
Please
I've
stop.
seen it.
Yeah, please stop
Literally.
talking.
Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets.
Jesus
and
Christ.
believe me, handsome, you can upgrade whatever tickles your fancy.
Jesus
Weapons
Christ.
are useful. Open the corresponding window, Major.
Get I can do so much more. A quick romp with your axe.
Oh
is
my
just a
God,
taste
quit.
of things to come, you handsome beast. Did you enjoy it, big guy?
It was amazing.
Use this powerful weapon to split
Ugh.
the skulls
Blech.
of your enemies and bring me gifts so we can get down and dirty. I'll show you what real smut feels like.
Why should I bring you gifts?
Girls like being pampered.
Because the repair vendor needs resources to break them down and produce items. Luckily for us, it's not very picky, although some upgrades may call for unique components.
I'll keep an eye out then.
I can't wait for your strong hands to grope my interface with lustful abandon.
Jesus
That's it.
Christ.
We're done here.
Yeah, oh my
go.
God, this is weird. This is so weird. Oh, that's what that does. That's the. Oh my God, I feel weird. I feel weird now.
Saving data.
Can I go this way? I can go this way. Wait, am I supposed to go that way into the fiery pit of hell? Okay. What are you doing? You don't do anything. Okay.
Great, the goddamn elevators are out. What am I supposed to do? Jump down?
They've no power. If you reconnect the power, they'll start working again.
So it looks like I need to find a circuit breaker. But where the hell
Okay.
is it? I can follow the wires, but they're all hidden inside the walls.
Electrical emissions can be detected via scanner.
Okay, let's not fall down the hole. Flatlined. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. First death was for me falling into a hole. That's the story of my life. Okay. You don't do anything. Stay there. Okay. Okay, it's a
Great, the
quick
goddamn
scan.
elevators are out. What am I supposed to do? Jump down?
They've no power. If If you reconnect the power, they'll start working again.
So it looks like I need to find a circuit breaker. But where the hell is it? I can follow the wires, but they're all hidden inside the walls.
Electrical emissions can be detected via scanner.
Okay.
Ugh. Supply room's locked. Well, that's just fucking great. I can't just snap my fingers here. I need a key. And let me guess. You can't open this lock, can you, Charles?
Unfortunately not. But I can set a waypoint you can use to find the key.
Oh.
It should be in a nearby workspace.
You're finally starting to come in handy.
God, he is so mean to this poor glove. Okay, let's go look for that key really quick. Fuck.
But take care. There's a dandelion security camera up ahead. If it detects us, this place will be swarming with robots.
Take it easy. I can always distract it by throwing something, then knock it out with an EMP.
Oh, let's call it Daisy because it looks like a flower. What was that? Shit, is they coming for me? Yes. Huh. Okay. Sorry.
Aha! You found the key. We can access the circuit breaker now.
Yep. But I'm just gonna have a look around first. I need some parts to upgrade my weapon. I won't get far with this pile of shit.
I wouldn't dream of stopping you.
Smart move, Charles. Smart move.
Okay. Oh shit. Whatever. Okay. Okay, let's try this again.
Hey, let's put a cookie in there. Yeah, even locks like cookies, right? Charles?
Yes?
Do you like cookies?
Ahem.
What was that exchange? What the hell?
This is a passive security system with a laser relay. I've seen stuff like this plenty of times. You need a color code.
Decoder. We're on the beam decoder. This bulk system passes. A child could operate it, but while this child of yours is entering combination signals. Where's the Okay.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes. You'll have to try to decipher it using one.
Passive security relay. Unlock by putting the mag fuses in the correct order.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on its own.
I think all three of them need to be red.
Try to match the colors of the laser beams with the colors of the lights. That should help.
Shut up. There we go. I think I got it. There we go. Okay, I kind of understand. What did this do? Anything?
Well, which one?
I suggest the one on the right.
In
Okay.
other words, you don't actually know. In that case, I'm taking the one on the left.
Okay. How do I push? Cool.
I've marked another waypoint for ease of navigation.
How
Okay.
dense do you think I am? I know where I need to go to complete my mission.
I was only trying to make things easier for you.
You can make things easier by getting off my grill.
Jesus Christ, man. The door. You shocked. Shock. Use shock to perform. Or even kill them. Okay. Alright, wrong button. I didn't realize. Oh, okay. Shock is right. Okay. Okay, shock is down there. No, it just saw me. Okay. Okay.
Please remember to fill out forms IDDCD1 and IDKFA2
Cool.
for getting your annual physical from Facility 38.
Okay. Okay.
There's no other way forward. We have to take it.
Take it where?
Petrov escaped while working in Vavilov's cold workshop. It would be logical to begin our search there.
So, how do I get there?
First, we need to get to the distribution center. This
Oh,
cable car
shit.
will take us there.
What? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Wait 2 seconds. Okay, go. Okay.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean. It's so peaceful.
Oh, this is weird. Why am I stuck? Okay. Okay, I don't know. Do we have to go? Okay, maybe I was just dumb. Hang on, let's do this. Go back in. Why can't I? There we go. Okay. That was stupid. Okay. This is weird.
There's no time to lose. Excellent news. I didn't expect this.
There we go.
Is offline. Reboot the control system to
There's the control
reactivate
panel.
line.
What
And
the
of course
hell?
It's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you? But this is a new one. A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code.
Gotcha.
The schematic. Need to find the schematic.
What was that?
Saving data.
Hi.
Please select the desired procedure.
Ugh. You gonna be gross? Okay, here we go. What is the method of... Oh, thank you. Cool. And exit.
So, what will it be, Major? Weapons?
Man, look back at the weapons. Maybe this one's nice. It's not creepy. Huh. Out of resources. Okay, let's just go, I guess. Okay. Okay, I don't think... Continue searching for Victor. Yeah, I got that part.
It's gotta move. Anything.
Okay. Huh.
There it is.
Did it go? Oh, it's so dark.
1, 2, 3.
We just need to make it to the cable car.
Charles, so this isn't a dead person talking to me. It's the neuropolymer in his noggin, right?
Crudely speaking, yes. As it fades away, neuropolymer won't go without a schematic. All stuck. No schematic. No go.
Fuck me, he's alive.
Schematic. Need a schematic. Unfortunately, he's dead.
Holy fuck. A talking corpse.
I think it was... Nope. Try this again. There we go, it's that one.
I hope this works.
The cable car line is activated. Welcome, passengers. Please take your seats according to your We are ready to depart.
Sorry, no ticket.
9, 8,
This is gonna be interesting.
6. Off we go.
That,
Ugh,
you
this
you
tunnel's
missed like
messed
half.
up.
Okay, whatever.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Very. As long as it doesn't drop me, holy shit. I'm not too worried. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. God, there's robots everywhere. Whoa, whoa. 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 Oh, God, this is... Oh, shit. Yeah, why did we climb on this thing? That robot was just on fire. It would have been easier just to hurl myself down the hole.
Fuck. I knew it was gonna be rough.
Oh shit.
Shit. You again?
Careful. There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
Okay. Check. Check. Cool.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Tap your pipe to... Okay. Huh. Fascinating. Okay. Nope. Owie. My shin. Hang on, I gotta try that again. Okay. Going up. Okay, I think I made the right first move. Which is jumping onto this. But I think my next move is then to jump here. No, maybe it wasn't. Oh, my next move is to jump onto these. Oh, the music. Very... what happened?
Holy shit. That was a surprise.
I agree. You've got quick reflexes, Major.
You bet. I wouldn't survive without him.
Sweet health through my glove. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. Uppity 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 okay, ready, go. Okay, up, up. Sorry, let me make... Oh, go, 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 go. Is there anything in me to... Or do I just have to... YOLO. Oh, I made it. Okay, cool. Do I just jump down? I just jump down from here. Oh shit. Okay. Cool,
Charles,
bye-bye.
That was a Burav, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals
Oh, shit.
at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
Oh, hi. Oh, shit. Here, let's just do this. Okay. That was a lot. Okay, there we go. Okay, give me back my axe. Okay.
The irony, comrade. I took such good care of those wonderful, powerful, brilliantly designed machines. And now, oh, the irony.
What are you talking about?
The Burovs, our finest product. What a shame. Did you know we weren't allowed to sell them abroad, comrade?
Why is there a ban on exporting them?
They're cutting-edge city-building machinery, that's why. Point them at the ground, and in a month, you'll have a complete subway system. Or any sort of tunnel. Subways, hell. It's the moon that we're going to use them for. Terraforming. So, they're top secret, and their armor is tougher than a tank's. PTA plates, unmarked. Cutting-edge science.
Okay.
You worked on the Burovs?
From day one. Built just about everything in here. Used to be no artificial sea, no fields, no forests or anything here. To say nothing of the cable cars. Just mountain ranges. No, hardly anyone stops to think about what it used to be like here. And it's all thanks to my Burovs. We moved mountains, built the whole infrastructure. They're tearing down what they built. They've got no idea. A machine's mind is like a small child's.
Okay.
It needs love and care, or it'll descend into confusion.
Fascinating. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I assume my next steps go up here. Yeah. Okay. So jump down. Okay, hang on. So one there. Okay, go. Yeah, just keep on the left side because they're gonna.
Hey, this is my stop. What a nice trip.
Go, go, go. Oh. Well, there's. Okay. There's no lock there. Okay.
Saving data.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay, cool. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good demonstration.
Laser wall. That's some serious security.
Hello.
People put them up for a reason. If you see one, that means there's something important on the other side.
Quite right, Comrade
True.
Major. The distribution center we're looking for is, in fact, on the other side.
There's no way I'm making it through a laser wall in one piece.
Nope. Okay. Ascension, guard to the guard to increasing frequency since getting stuck in infinite loops. These turn them off. Unlike worker bots, due to the nature of these, design the center of the robot's nervous system in its corvex. In the event of malfunction, carefully approach behind, insert a tool into a slot to interrupt the circuit. Call ignition. Different opening that be specifically prohibited. Expense removed. Okay. The doctor recently assigned you the complex has increased the frequencies of visits to prisoner. Often ignoring other prisoners, requesting permission to enhance external extermination of a prisoner in regard to their encounters. Report from Winston regarding prisoners. Oh, I don't think so. Maybe a psycho. Maybe nah. And okay, cool. I'm not gonna spend all my time reading all of that.
Honey, you're back.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What took you so long? I was so lonely.
Like, I need to go through a laser wall, preferably alive.
What you
What
got?
a silly idea, honey. That's awful risky. You should stay with me instead. I'll do whatever you want.
Ugh, just give me
Laser protection.
Oh, so brutal. I'm shaking. Squirt your polymer inside me.
Don't let her boss you around.
What the fuck?
We have no time to waste.
All right, I get it. You'll get your polymer and your precious components. Just install the laser protection already.
Whatever you say, stud. Upgrade initiated. Relax and enjoy. Just promise you'll talk dirty to me again.
Punch you.
Yes,
Ugh.
yes.
Jesus Christ.
Punish me, master. I love dominant males.
I don't like a refrigerator doing this. Okay.
Your defense system is active. Try to run through the laser wall.
That's crap. That hurt. That thing packs a punch. I almost bought the farm there.
Okay, well, I'm still alive somehow. Okay. What are we doing? Huh.
Are you okay? Is everything ready? Did you pull it off?
Who you?
Don't worry, honey. I'm right as rain. The operation was totally painless.
Good. You need to leave right now. There's a man coming for you. He's armed and wearing an experimental polymer glove.
What you got?
Must be Sechenov's guy. Larissa, did you talk to him?
He was attacked by a Burav. We took him to the infirmary and then... I didn't know. I couldn't just let him bleed out.
Well, you should have. It would have saved us a whole lot of trouble.
Wow.
It scares me when you talk like that.
Why
Meet
is
you at the exit.
there so much sexual
behind you,
tension in
honey.
this game?
I just hope we're not too late.
Hope can be dangerous. Hands up!
Victor?
What's going on?
You deaf? Hands behind your head.
Victor!
The hell are you?
Victor!
Major Nechayev Special Operations. And that's the last question you get.
These
You're going to Chalamet.
Victor, save yourself!
Chalamet. Of course, Comrade Major. Intrusion. Huh? Intrusion! Warning.
Hey, freeze! Warning. Red alert. Lockdown in progress.
shit. Okay. Holy shit, why are they all...
He's pretty good at ordering those robots around. It's almost like they're his property. And he locked the goddamn door.
Petrov ran off with a mobile power source called a candle. It powers the emergency lockdown system. This door cannot be opened without a candle.
I'll find another one. There's gotta be more than one candle in this complex, right?
We need to hurry. Otherwise, Petrov will escape the sector and we'll have to track him down again.
Okay, you know what? What is making sound? Oh, the laser field. Okay, we'll go up here and then we'll call that an episode.
Charles, what's that birch tree encased in glass in the room down there? Is it the famous PEC 4 power generator?
Indeed it is. The birch tree PEC 4 is a vegetative polymer-based power generator. It's an experimental model. The
Okay.
first step of our program to conquer the distant planets of the solar system.
Anyway, yeah, so I think... I know we're supposed to be in hot pursuit, but we're gonna just pause the episode here. And we'll have to catch him in the next episode, because that is definitely enough everything for one day. I didn't think I was gonna run into the horny fridge this quickly. Good lord. I'm just glad they're not all like that. It's just her. Anyway, I hope you guys are still enjoying this. This is fascinating to me. It's very well built so far. Controls are kind of confusing, but besides that, this is good. So, if you do like this game, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.